Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know how exciting it is to manage your assets securely. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Cardano from Exmo to your Tangem Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, I'll walk you through each step to make it easy and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Exmo account set up and verified. Open the Exmo app or website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Funds section. This is where you'll manage your cryptocurrencies. Next, locate Cardano in your wallet list. Click on it to access your balance, then look for the Withdraw or Send button. This is your gateway to moving your assets out. Now, here's a crucial step. Enter your Tangem Wallet address. Double-check this to avoid any mishaps. Crypto transactions are irreversible. You can find your Tangem address by opening the Tangem app on your device and selecting the Receive option for Cardano. After entering the address, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any network fees. They can vary, so aim to withdraw enough to cover them. If Exmo has two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to confirm the withdrawal via email, SMS, or an authenticator app for added security. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll get a confirmation message, and then it's time to wait. Transactions on the Cardano blockchain are usually fast, but it might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always keep your Tangem wallet updated and backed up. Also, watch out for phishing scams, only use official platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn your Cardano to your Tangem wallet. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.